going to test this new gimbal of mine. It's a Chinese brand. We're just going to see how good it was. I've picked it up for $50 off Gumtree. Righto, I'm going to run down the side of the house now. Let's see how good this 3-axis gimbal is. Got an automatic button to flip it around like that. And let's go. Come down low. Run down here in the sun. Ooh, run. Oh. Look at that sexy beamer. Oops. I think I fucked up something there. Yeah, we're balancing alright. Righto. I'll just set that up a bit. We'll run back up the side of the house. Coming low. Come up high. Run up the backyard. Righto, well, seems to be working alright. I'll have a look at the footage and we'll see, eh? $50 gimbal off Gumtree. 3 axis. Should be alright. Righto.